Yo, what's up, everybody? Sean Cole here. We're diving deep into the insane success of Temu, the app that came out of nowhere to dominate the market. You think Amazon's got it figured out? Think again. Temu's crushing it, and we're breaking down their playbook so you can apply it to your life, your business, your hustle. This isn't just about some app, it's about understanding the mindset, the hustle, the pure execution that leads to massive wins. Get ready to take notes because this is about to get good. Let's go. Imagine this, a brand new app that nobody in America had heard of a year ago. It seemed to come out of nowhere, almost like magic. It's now the #1 most downloaded app in the country, beating out giants like Amazon and TikTok. Crazy, right? But it's not just about the numbers. But here's the real question. How did they pull it off? And what can we learn to level up our own lives or businesses? What strategies did they use and how can we apply them? You see, a story like Temu's and, deep down, that kind of success is possible. It's not just a dream. It's a reality that can be achieved. It's not some lucky break or some magic formula. It's about hard work, dedication, and smart strategies. It's about understanding the game and playing it better than anyone else. It's about knowing your strengths and leveraging them to your advantage. We're breaking down Temu's playbook step by step so you can see exactly how they did it. We'll explore their strategies, their mindset, and their execution. These are actionable strategies that you can start implementing today to see real results in your own life. Let's dive in and get started on this journey to success. Let's go. Listen up, because this is important. Success leaves clues. Every great achievement, every monumental success leaves behind a trail of evidence, a blueprint that others can follow. Temu's rise is a masterclass in breaking barriers and doing the impossible. They didn't just follow the path, they created their own. They shattered expectations and redefined what was possible. This isn't just about shopping apps. It's about thinking differently, taking bold action, and creating an experience people can't resist. Think about it. They saw opportunities where others saw obstacles. Temu came out of nowhere and completely disrupted the game. They took the market by storm, leaving competitors scrambling to catch up. They didn't play by the old rules. Instead, they wrote their own, challenging the status quo and pushing boundaries. They saw an opportunity and they went for it with everything they had. Their passion and dedication were unmatched. And that is the kind of energy you need if you want to achieve your goals. You need to be relentless, driven, and unstoppable. You got to be willing to bet on yourself, to put in the work, to hustle harder than anyone else. It's about dedication, perseverance, and an unyielding belief in your vision. So, what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. The clues to success are all around you. Let's dive into Temu's playbook and see what lessons we can apply to our own lives. By studying their journey, we can uncover the secrets to our own success. Let's get real. Temu didn't just create another e-commerce app. They reimagined the entire shopping experience by blending it with social gaming. Imagine teaming up with friends to unlock discounts. It's not just shopping. It's an experience, a community, a whole vibe. They understood that people don't just want to buy things. They want to be part of something bigger than themselves. So how can you innovate in your own life? Look at what you're doing now and ask yourself, how can I make this more fun, more exciting, more engaging? Get creative and think outside the box. When Temu came to America, they didn't try to out Amazon. They knew that was a losing battle. Instead, they came in with a bold, audacious promise: shop like a billionaire. That wasn't just catchy, it made people curious. They wanted to know, how can I live like a billionaire on a budget? Temu understood the power of storytelling. They knew that people connect with emotions, not just logic. So they created a narrative that was aspirational, relatable, and impossible to ignore. Don't be afraid to be bold, to be different, to be you. Let's be real, Temu spent millions on marketing, and that paid off big time. Now, you might not have millions lying around, but here's the truth. If you want to win, you've got to be willing to invest in yourself. You got to put in the time, the money, the energy to level up your skills, your knowledge, your network. Start small. Set aside a budget, whether it's $50 a month or $500 a month, and invest it in your growth. Get yourself some books, take an online course, attend a conference, hire a coach. The point is, you are your most valuable asset. Invest in yourself like you would invest in a winning stock. Temu was smart. They didn't just sell cheap products. They sold stories. They created this feeling of discovery, like you were finding hidden treasures at unbelievable prices. And that made people excited to share their experiences with their friends, their family, their followers, because at the end of the day, people don't just buy products, they buy into stories. So what's your story? What are you passionate about? What problem are you solving for your customers? Start sharing your story in a way that connects with people on an emotional level. Temu didn't just guess what people wanted. They were smart. They used data to predict customer needs before the customers even knew they had those needs. They were constantly analyzing trends, tracking user behavior, and optimizing their app based on real-time feedback. And you know what? You can do the same thing in your own life. Just start paying attention. Take a moment to analyze where your time and energy are going. Data isn't just for businesses. It's for anyone who wants to improve, to grow, to make better decisions. Temu didn't just get people to download the app, they got them to come back for more. Over 28% of their customers were still buying 16 months later. That's insane. That's the power of loyalty. They understood that acquiring a new customer is expensive. It's much more profitable to keep your existing customers happy and coming back for more. So how do you build that kind of loyalty? It's simple, but it takes work. You got to consistently deliver value. Loyalty is built through small, meaningful actions over time. People want to buy from brands that align with their values. Temu gets that. They leaned into sustainability with eco-friendly packaging, and customers noticed. They showed that they cared about more than just profit. They cared about the planet, about their impact on the world. The same goes for you. When your actions match your values, people trust you more. They're more likely to do business with you. Live your values, and people will notice. Here's the thing about Temu. They didn't just aim for quick wins. They're playing the long game. They're building for the long haul, focusing on innovation, global expansion, and building trust with their customers. And that's the key to lasting success. Look, anyone can get lucky in the short term. But if you want to build something that lasts, you need to have a long-term vision. Focus on consistency and keep showing up, even when it's hard. Remember, success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. You've seen how Temu skyrocketed to the top, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology and setting new standards in the industry. Crushing the competition and becoming America's #1 app wasn't just luck. It was a combination of innovation, strategy, and relentless execution. But more importantly, you've seen how you can apply those same strategies to your own life or business. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or someone looking to make a change, these principles are universal. Now you got two choices. You can either let this knowledge sit idle, you can sit there and do nothing, letting opportunities pass you by, or you can take action. Seize the moment and start implementing what you've learned. You can be the person who watches things happen, always on the sidelines, or you can be the person who makes things happen. Here's the deal. The choice is entirely yours. If you want to take your game to the next level, to truly excel and stand out, I've got something for you. A resource that can guide you through the process. My free ebook, a comprehensive guide filled with actionable strategies, is designed to help you grow faster and smarter. Packed with insights and tips It's a must-read for anyone serious about success. Download it now at The Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward.